ओके सो मेरी सारे सिस्टर फैमिली सब वेस्ट साइड शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं और मैं अकेले गाड़ी में हूँ क्योंकि मुझे शॉपिंग करना नहीं पसंद ऑब्वियसली. सो आई गॉट एन आइडिया कि टाइम पास कैसे करें. ओके सो आई थॉट लेट्स ask ChatGPT some questions and then I'm gonna answer that like full influencer type, जबकि मैं influencer हूँ भी नहीं है. So yeah, अभी हम ChatGPT को prompt डालेंगे. Okay, so I am alone in car and I'm getting bored. That's why I want some questions so that I can answer and make a video on it and I will not get bored. So that is the whole point. Give me questions like that. Okay, so these are the questions that ChatGPT gave me. So I am gonna answer. But सबसे पहले we will see personal and fun questions. This one. सबसे पहला है what's one thing you absolutely cannot live without? So deep. I don't know. I have to think about it. I think I cannot live without my both sisters क्योंकि see I've got no friends. I literally have no friends और मेरे को किसी से बात करने को भी बहुत अजीब लगता है और मैं बाहर भी आ रही हूँ तो मैं बाहर नहीं जाती हूँ बिकॉज लोगों को देख के आई फील कि बस मैं अभी भगवान के पास जाने वाली हूँ. तो जिसकी ये गाड़ी है वो मेरे सिस्टर्स के फ्रेंड हैं और जब मेरी बहन जयपुर से यहाँ आती है या मेरी दूसरी बहन घर पे आती है तब भी मैं घर से बाहर निकलती हूँ वरना मैं क्वारंटीन पे रहती हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट माई सिस्टर्स. दैट इज़ द आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. What's a weird food combo you love but everyone else finds it gross? Okay. What is my favorite weird food combo? और मैं अब भी उसको खा के आ रही हूँ. मैंने कल भी खाया था. मेरी बड़ी बहन पीरियड्स पे थी एंड शी ऑर्डर्ड प्रिंगल्स एंड डार्क चॉकलेट. ऑब्वियसली वो अलग अलग खाती थी बट आई हैव एन हैबिट कि मैं डार्क चॉकलेट को मेल्ट करती हूँ एंड देन आई ईट दैट विथ प्रिंगल्स. मैं वीडियो अटैच कर दूँगी. मैं आज भी खा रही थी और मैं कल भी खा रही थी एंड इट एब्सोल्युटली टेस्ट लाइक bravo and I really love that, so I think you should all give it a try. And the third one is if your life was a movie what would the title be? Okay, what would the title be? This is nice. This is like best time pass you could do with yourself. I think enjoy and love yourself क्योंकि मैं अकेले भी हूँ but I'm finding myself entertaining. I love myself. I love spending time with myself only. इसलिए मैं लोगों के साथ बाहर नहीं हूँ. और obviously मेरी बहन मेरा Zudio का कपड़ा भी रिटर्न करने गई है क्योंकि I am not socially capable of going and saying भैया प्लीज़ ये रिटर्न ले लो. So yeah, what's a red flag in a person that people often ignore? Phone? Bye. नहीं ठीक है.
थोड़ा और विंडो ओपन करो.
हाँ कर दो. विंडो ओपन कर दो. बट ये गीला हो जाएगा ना फिर सीट. Okay, he left. Okay. What is a red flag in a person that people often ignore? I think ignoring is the biggest red flag a person can have. I made a friend 1.5 years ago and he used to ignore what I want in a friendship. Like if I want this, he used to do totally opposite of that. I mean, what the heck, man? And then we had some kalesh and then we broke our friendship, not relationship, but we broke our friendship. And I accidentally met him 2-3 days ago and he, like gave me a handshake and I was like, no, I'm not gonna shake hands with you. But at the end I did because I didn't want to make him feel bad about making me feeling bad. See, this is how much an introvert thinks. Okay? Fifth, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever Googled? I think there's nothing that I've ever felt embarrassing. कुछ भी नहीं, मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा embarrassing गूगल नहीं किया है. But जो embarrassing चीज़ें होती है, you don't know at a certain age, like what is puberty, what is this, what is that. So you Google. I did all of that for knowledge, not for, you know, getting embarrassed or something. Deep and thought-provoking. Do you think, sixth question, do you think people fall in love more than once? I think people do fall in love more than once, but जो first love होता है, it's like दिमाग फाड़ने वाला. Like I have a friend, she had relationship with him. No, they were friends since school time. Like they were literally best friends, and then they got in relationship for 2 years, and then they broke up. Now it's been 2 years since they broke up, but she's still stuck on him. Like पहला नशा पहला खुमा. So I think people do fall in love more than once, but पहला वाला तो दिमाग फाड़ी होता है. If you could talk to your younger self for a minute, what would you say? I would say, bitch, you're the best. I mean, I am the best. I feel like I'm the best. It's me, I guess. What's something you've never said out loud but you want to? I find men like the worst creature of the planet. Like I have my dad, I have my brother. I've told them on face that I hate you guys. I literally hate the men species very much. Very, very, very much. Are you scared of becoming like your parents? No, I'm not scared of becoming like my parents, but I'm scared of being a parent. Like, just think about you becoming a parent. Ew. That thought is really... I never want to become a parent. I somehow feel I should not even get married. I have a thought like that, but... Ooh. I just hate thinking about that. I hate thinking about future. What does healing really looks like for you? I don't heal. I think people don't heal. They try to pretend like they have healed, but healing is not something which can happen. Ooh. So the next is an overrated trend that needs to die. I think ये जो Instagram influencers है ना ऐसे बात करते हैं. So guys, today I just had this and that, and I'm like, excuse me? कोई ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है? Like, oh, I just had this, I had that, and I hate that type of, you know, tone and accent. I hate that. It really needs to die like ASAP. And what's a relationship rule you think is toxic? Sharing your password of Instagram, Facebook, IG, whatever. Like, no, I will never ever share my social media password with anyone. Like, no. That's the biggest red flag. If someone is asking your password of IG and social media things. Which one hurts more, being ignored or being misunderstood? I think both are equally hurtful, and I hate both of that. I really hate being confused also. Confused, ignored, misunderstood. These three things are the pillar of breaking down a relationship. Is Instagram versus reality, one truth you've learned? I mean, strangers are going to support you way more and better than the people you know in real life. Like, yeah. What's one nice thing people say that actually annoys you? I think people, I don't really talk to people, so yeah, I don't care about whatever they say. Flirty and confession style. Ever had a crush on someone who didn't even knew your name? Yeah, obviously. Damon Salvatore, baby. He doesn't know that I even exist, but I have the biggest crush of my life on him. But since I'm getting into like religious shit, I think I need to change my crush. What's the most unexpected compliment you've ever received? See, there is one friend of my sister, Chon LM. She saw me and she was like, "Oh my god, you have dusty tone." I was so insecure with the teeth I have. She used to say me like, "You're very nice, you're good looking, you have nice posture, you have nice figure, you should try for modeling, you should try this and that." And actually she did took me as a model for her brand and I really loved that point. इसलिए देखो मैं मेरे sisters के friend के साथ ज़्यादा घूमती हूँ because they have knowledge, they have everything, like they are just perfect. और मैं मेरे age में अगर friends बनाऊँ ना, they're like फुद्दू as hell. Describe your dream case. A song that describes your current love life. मेरे तो एल लग गए. Would you rather be loved deeply but never understood, or understood but completely never loved? I'd rather not have both of them. If I want a person, I want every single emotion, like 100% love. Other than that,
चलो दादी घर के यहाँ पे जाके आते हैं.
हाँ चलेगा.